Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. And quickly, before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I don't know what to say. Thanks so much for the support. I didn't actually think I was going to get this far, this quickly. So yeah, thanks for 500 subscribers, and for 500 subscribers special, I decided I'll show you guys how to get mods for Gorilla Tag, because I keep seeing comments and having people ask me, like, when I'm playing just Gorilla Tag, like, off camera, how I get mods. So I decided today I'm going to show you for a 500 subscriber special. So before I start actually explaining what you need to do, you'll need to have your Oculus Quest or Quest 2, of course, because you need something to play VR on. Or if you are on Vive or Rift and you still don't know, then just, you know what, rephrase, have your VR headset on you. And if you're not on a PC VR, so if you're on Quest or Quest 2, have a USB-C, USB to USB-C link cable. Or if your computer has the right port, your Oculus charger should also work. But my computer doesn't, so I'm just going to use a link cable. So basically, and then obviously the last thing you'll need is a computer to plug your Quest in. So yeah, if you have all of those, just grab your Quest, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to need, just grab your Quest and one controller, because I don't need both. You can grab both, but I don't need it. And you're going to grab your link cable, if I can find it. Okay, so now that you have your link cable, what you want to do is plug it into a USB port for your you just want to plug it into a USB port on your computer if you are using the link cable. So yeah, I just plugged it in, and then I just knocked over everything on my table. Sorry. So yeah, and you don't need to plug in the other side, so plug it into your Quest yet. But yeah, if you have all of that ready, so you have your VR and your controllers, and you have the cable plugged into your computer, that is turned on, of course. You just want to go onto Discord, or if you don't have Discord, you'll want to download it, which of course you can just go into any browser. I'm going to use Firefox, and just type in Discord, download, and just do first one, it should be, and just download it. So yeah, once that's downloaded, and if it's not that downloaded, you'll probably have to make an account. But anyway, once you've done that and signed into Discord and everything, you'll want to add a server, or it's actually public, so you'll just want to click Explore Public Servers. I still can't talk. This happens every video. I mess up, sorry. You'll want to click Explore Public Servers and type in the search bar Gorilla Tag Modding. Just like that. And it should be the only one that comes up. You want to just click on it and join it, and I am already in, so that's the icon right there. And then if you're on Quest, you want to go to Quest mod releases, but if you are on PC VR, you want to go to PC mod releases. And I just need to say quickly, Quest mods releases have a lot less mods released on it, but as PC mods, but they work mostly the same anyway. Just want to say, so it doesn't matter really what if you're on Quest or PC VR, it doesn't matter, just continue following my instructions or whatever demonstration, because it should still be the same. So yeah, once you've gone onto what you select, you'll want to scroll up a bit and find Quest Patcher right here. Click the download link, and once it's loaded up, you want to select, just scroll down to the bottom, you want to select which one you want to download. If you're on Mac, just download the first one, Ubuntu, second one, and then for Windows, it doesn't really matter, you can get the standalone zip or the exe. I'll just get the exe for now, and save the file. Once that's saved, you want to go into your files, and it should be in downloads right there. Once you have that, you want to open it, and if you have some protection on your computer, it should bring this page up that it says don't run, but don't click that, because we do want to run it. It's completely safe. Just click more info and then click run anyway, and if it brings up this, then just click yes, accept it, and it should bring you to this page. Click I accept and click next, and then install it. And then that should take a minute or two, and then done, and then just finish it. And then boom, you have it downloaded and it will just load up. But as you can see, the Quest is not connected yet. So once you have it downloaded, you can bring it out onto your desktop or whatever. Mine's right here. I'm going to put it in the middle, right there. And once you've done that, this is where you want to connect your Quest. So what you'll want to do is just turn on your Quest and plug it in. And if you've never done this, if you've never modded anything on your Quest, you'll want to turn on developer mode in the Quest website. That's not going to be in this video, I'm just saying. So if you haven't turned on developer mode, pause the video here, go watch a video on how to turn on developer mode, and then come back, because you're going to need that. Okay, so for those of you who are left, or you have come back from turning on developer mode, what you want to do is just load up your Quest once you've plugged it in. And if you've done this before for like Beat Saber or something, it should be all familiar. But if you haven't, once you load up your Quest, there should be a announcement which is allow USB debugging. You want to allow that. And there should be a couple more after this, like allow access to data. Again, you want to allow that. Basically, any notification that comes up before your, like when you start your VR, you'll just want to accept that. So, yep. Once you've done all that and you've accepted, yeah, if you've accepted the store files thing, it should bring up this, but you don't really need it, so just close that if they bring it up. And once you've connected, basically what you want to do, load up Quest Patcher, okay, sorry about that. I'm just going to do something, because since mine is already modded, I just have to uninstall and reinstall it to show you the process and everything. So let me just reinstall Gorilla Tag real quick. But yeah, basically, your Gorilla Tag, yeah, so basically, your Gorilla Tag should be normal, and you just want to open up Quest Patcher. Once you've done everything in your VR, like accepted everything and stuff, you'll want to, it should bring up this page right here. It should look exactly like this, or a bit different, but still it should say patch my app. You want to click patch my app, and that should take a couple minutes, and basically it makes your app ready for downloading mods. So yeah, just let that do all of its stuff and let it just load up. It takes a couple minutes, but doesn't take that long. Yep, there we go. Should be done. I'm just gonna check. Yep, I'm recording. Nice. Yeah, boom. It should bring up this, and it should say patching complete. Now, I already have all my mods in here, but for you, this is not what it will look like. For you, this will be blank. It might bring up Monkey Code, Gen, Gorilla, Utils, and Monkey Computer, but that should be the only ones. Actually, I don't know if Monkey Computer goes in, but if any of these go in there, which they should, you just want to turn them on. If you turn one on, they should all turn on. But in case Monkey Computers doesn't go on, you want to load up the Discord and find Monkey Computer right here and download it and stuff, yeah. And basically, for mods, what you want to do, the same as you did for Monkey Computer, you'll just want to go up to a mod. Let's say I want Long Arm Monkey. Let me just delete Long Arm Monkey from in here first. So yeah, let me just delete it so it's not in there. What you want to do, you want to click once you're in the Discord and you found the mod you want. You want to click download. It should say all this. Just accept it. Click OK. And if you go back into your quest patcher, you should see this little button called, it says browse. Click that, and it should load up your downloads. And in today, it should say the mod name. For me, it's Long Arm Monkey. Double click it, and it will do all of your loading in right there. So yeah, once you've done all of those, some mods at the moment, I'm pretty sure you can't get because they're not updated for the new update, but it depends when you're watching this. For me, if I have trails, it says outdated mod, but it still works. So if it does say that for you, which I'm pretty sure you can actually still get trails. They haven't been taken off here. Yeah, right here. If you download trails, it should, when you're trying to enable it, it should bring up this notification. Don't worry about it, just continue anyway, if you do want trails. Yeah, once you've got all your mods, just activate all of them, just enable them. Paintball Monkey doesn't work for me, so I don't really need that. Yeah, and just basically turn on all your mods. That, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all of mine. Yep, that's all of mine. And Grow Cosmetics at the moment have been taken off the Discord, but they have not been updated. So yeah, again, it should bring up this. Just click continue anyway. And now that's basically Gorilla Tag mods. But if you want to continue watching and you want to add some materials, then go for it. But if you want to figure it out yourself, then you can go and test your mods and stuff. But anyway, if you're still here and you want hats and materials, what you want to do, you want to go back into Discord and click hats. And I'm going to download 2 hats at the moment. There's a bunch of these and stuff. So I'm going to do Dragon Ball Z Super Saiyan Blue hair. Download it, and I'm going to scroll for a bit. Try and find a good one so I don't download a bad one and then have to delete it. But this one's good, mustache hat. You want to click OK. So it should bring up that. You want to click OK. And what you want to do for this one, you can't when you're in Quest Patcher, you can't just click browse. So what you want to do, you want to load up your files. And if you go into downloads, it should bring it up here, right there. It is for me. And you'll want to drag and drop them into here. And then it loads, let it do its thing. Once you've done that, it should have gone into here, that folder, and you got to do the same for materials. So let me just do a demonstration. Let's do tiger stripes. will bring you this. Just save the file, and then yet again, just get Quest Patcher and files next to each other, and then drag and drop it in, and boom, it should have gone into materials, just like that. And that's basically it for Quest mods. But if you're in PC VR, you can download a mod called Monkey Map Loader or something like that. And basically, if it should be somewhere on your page. If you get it, you want to click on Custom Maps, and you can download all of the maps. It's the same as Hats and Materials. But if you're on PC VR, I'm guessing you already have mods, because why wouldn't you? But anyway, yeah, that's how to get mods, and it's basically the end of the video, but I'm going to jump into my quest real quick and show everything and how it's done. So, yeah, see you. Okay, guys, so, once you've gone into your quest, you might realise that it might have brought up a restore app prompt. If it does bring that up, click no, or whatever the no is. Don't really know. Okay, no, enough jokes. But yeah, it should literally be that. But yeah, just click no, and you know if you've done it right, because if you've gone into your quest on Gorilla Tag, it should say unofficial app when you go on it, and it should also have that little cloud icon with an arrow down and X through it. But yeah, that's how you know if you've done it right. And then it should bring up all the permissions and stuff. And then basically, you just want to let Gorilla Tag load. If the game doesn't load instantly like it usually does, don't worry about it, because with mods it does take a little while to load up, maybe 30-40 seconds. So if the game doesn't load instantly and you just have a black screen like I do now, don't worry about it, should be fine. Just sit here, let it load. If it does this, like it just did for me, that means something is wrong with your mods. And I know what I did wrong, but I did it wrong on purpose so I can show you guys. Basically, one of your mods has failed and the game doesn't want to load it. For me, it was Space Monkey, actually. For me, it's Space Monkey. So, what you want to do, I'm not going to record, I'm just going to tell you because it's pretty easy. You want to, actually, yeah, I will record. Okay, so guys, if something went wrong and the Gorilla Tag didn't load, you want to plug your quest back in, load up Quest Patcher, and it will be one of your mods that isn't working. For me, I know which one it is. It's Space Monkey, and you want to disable that. Oh yeah, you have to accept all the things again in your quest. So yeah, once you've done that, you'll just want to load up Quest Patcher again, and to say if you know which mod it is, you'll want to disable it. But if you don't know, what I do suggest doing is disable one mod and load up the game. If it's not that, then it's probably a different one. So yeah, once it's loaded up, which one was it for me? Space Monkey, that's it. So yeah, you'll just want to disable it, and then go in your VR and check if Gorilla Tag loads, which it should now. Okay, so guys, once you're back in your quest, you just want to do the same thing, load up Gorilla Tag, and just load, because it should load once you've found out the mod that turned it off, that made it not load. So, as I said earlier, it takes a couple seconds, so if you don't get a black screen, don't worry, it should be perfectly fine. The only time that you'll have to disable a mod is if the game doesn't load in 5 minutes, which I found, or if the game literally just kicks you out. allow, and boom, it should have loaded you in, just like that. And you'll be in spawn again, so because you deleted and re-downloaded the game. So yeah, just go out of spawn, put all your settings in and stuff, and yeah.
Bro, look, just trust me.
Oh, tag me, guys, tag me.
Sorry.
Guys, tag me. Oh, finally.
Hey, lava monkey. Hey, Five-Year-Old Squeaker lava monkey.
No, I get though. Real little shit.
What's up, Five-Year-Old Squeaker lava monkey?
Okay, so yep, once you've like loaded in and gotten into Big Tree or Hollow Tree, what you want to do, go up to hats, and here should be all your custom mirror and all of your hats and your materials there. So lucky, yeah, that happens sometimes. When you put on a hat, the game might crash because Gorilla Cosmetics isn't actually fixed at the moment. But it depends when you're watching this. If you're watching this in the future and Gorilla Cosmetics is fixed for the music update or siren update, then the game shouldn't crash when you're switching between hats and stuff. So yeah, the game does crash when you're switching hats. Don't worry, we should load it back up. Should still work fine. Yep, as you can see, loaded, and if you go up to the mirror, I have the hat on. It won't do it all the time. Like if I put a hat on right now, it does actually change it. So it will only happen sometimes. And same with the materials. It doesn't usually crash, but it might sometimes. I've actually never had the game crash with materials or any hats. But yeah, next to the mirror, there should be all of your materials right here. You can switch through them, see which one you like. This is the one I downloaded right now, earlier. Tiger Stripes. I'm pretty sure that's the one, and yeah, there's all of these different ones that I have, like that one. I actually really like that one, it's pretty nice. Also, you have your main ones, like Rainbow. This Rainbow Monkey you don't actually have to download, I'm pretty sure you just get it. And obviously the three main ones. Normal Monkey, Camo Monkey, Golden Monkey, and Hacker Monkey. Like that. And also, if you, I just want to say with some of these reactable skins like Hacker Monkey, or Code Monkey, as I like to call it, it depends on what your color is. So if you have like a black color and you put on Code Monkey, then it won't show all the code because the skin in general is black and your color is like all of this, all the coding. Yeah, I just wanted to say that. Yeah, let me just switch to a monkey that I like. This one's pretty nice. It's not that nice, I just think it's cool. Lemon Monkey. So yeah, let me just, I don't know, switch to this one. Oh, this one's nice. I like this one. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with this one. No, I'm not, because you need to see what I'm doing. Switch. I'm gonna go with this one. So yeah, that should be all of your thingies and hats and materials. And yeah, you wanna go down into your thing, your computer. Should be custom computer now. Should look like this. And you have to sort out everything, like your name again. So I'm gonna put in Lemon VR. Enter. And if you want a custom color, don't worry about the color for now. I'm just gonna select everything else. Like I had smooth turn and 9. So enter. And I usually have my mic on push to talk. So yeah, basically with this computer, you should have custom cues. I don't actually remember if you have that on the normal computer. That's how long I've had mods for. You should be able to choose between default, competitive, and stuff. That's your usual ones, but I'm pretty sure pretty sure you can get modded queues. I don't know where though. But as I was saying, over here you have your mod settings. You can select trails, monkey computer, and custom backgrounds. That's how I made my computer. So if you go into monkey computer, you can select colors. So yeah, that's how I made my computer like greenish. And if you go to the very bottom, monkey command line, this is how you get custom colors. So the way I look yellow in most of my in some of my other videos, where my hat's cosmetics mod wasn't working, and how I look for everyone else, just type in color, and you click space, and a set value between 1 and 999. So for yellow, I have to put 999 for the first one, and then do a space, 999, space, and then 0. Because in normal, when you're just selecting colors, normally in the other one, you have a set value between, I'm pretty sure, 1 and 200. But in the command line, you have a set number between 1 and 999. And then just click enter, and that should be your color for everyone else. Now I am going to go into a mod lobby, if I can, to show. Did I get in? Yes, I did. Hello, monkey. You are tagged. So yeah, if you come outside, you should have noticed already. You have this pretty sweet banana watch right here. So yeah, that's where all of your mods are. I just want to check if I am push to talk. Can you guys hear me? No. So yeah, I'm just gonna showcase them up on Holotree. If you click your watch, you should have scoreboard, details, and disconnect. All of those do a different thing. Scoreboard shows that. Details shows the details of your game and stuff, current and your room. But down here, after disconnect, is where it gets fun. So all the mods should be here. I have Iron Monkey, which is literally just flying. That's the first mod, and I'm only showing the mods that are working for me currently. In the future, there might be more mods. It depends when you're watching again. But that's that's Iron Monkey, and you can select the thrust as well, like how quickly you go. I can put it on maximum and just absolutely just leave Earth. So yeah, that's that, and you can do hover mode. If you disable that and enable hover mode, you should be hovering. If you don't want that, you want to go on hover monkey for the actual hovering, because all you need to do for this one is just enable the first one, and you can enable car mode as well, which is basically banana car. And there's hover speed right there of how fast you hover, and of course there's car acceleration. And basically car mode is banana car, so you can just
take like 3 hours to join.
Just drive around, do some skirts, do some drifts, play some Tokyo Drift or some gas. So if you're ready, I'm going to have a race with myself.
Then the other one. Really, black monkey. You think I cannot catch you? Right, hang on. Wait, hang on. No, this is not fair! Not fair!
And then, yeah, you can't actually jump. Like, you can jump on the floor, but it instantly pulls you back down. Which is kind of cool. I actually like that, because you're a car. So you can't do all of stuff. You can kind of pinch climb. So you could actually pinch climb up there, but it will take a while, and you have to pinch climb really fast. But yeah, car mode. That's that.
Stop screaming!
And you can select all that as well.
I'm through the fucking monkey atmosphere. What the fuck do you expect me to do? You told piece of shit ass, cunty, wunty ass, retarded ass, bitch ass, nigga, bitch ass, cunty, wunty ass, retarded ass, autistic
You
ass, nigga.
okay?
So yeah, I just got to turn all that off. The next one, frog monkey. Pretty simple. You put your left hand on the floor, right hand up, and click the joystick, and you should frog.
Not good.
You should frog. Yeah,
It won't let me install.
you'll just frog.
Why?
Meow.
Why are you such a nigger?
Oh, okay. Okay,
You say
damn. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to edit that one out. Someone just said a naughty word, and I don't mean fuck, because I can say that as well. Ah, damn it. Hell, yeah. Frog monkey. Frog. Your left hand. There's nothing. Right hand is aim, and click the joystick to frog. Next one is goodbye moon monkey. We do enable it and click the that button and that button at the same time. So your left and right finger, your end fingers and your thumbs, and then you just ascend. You can just fly. You can't actually fly forwards or anything. You can just fly forward, not forwards, upwards.
One step. You're missing one step.
But once you stop, you don't stop.
Turn on developer mode. Turn on developer mode. Turn on developer mode.
So yeah, as you can hear the other guy saying, make sure to turn on developer mode and don't turn it off. So yeah, to cancel, if sometimes you get stuck to cancel, just click the buttons again and you should go down. Anyway, next mod is Platform Monkey. This is basically air jump for PC. Just click your end finger buttons and it should spawn a platform that you can jump on. And you can also select the color and the size. For color, I like to do monkey material. Because monkey material is basically this, so it's the same color as my material, which I like. And you can also select the size from default to 1. So I'm just gonna. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. Vertical plank. Horizontal plank. Chonky boy.
His name was
Hefty chonky. Hefty chonker.
I know. Okay, so yeah, that name is real because look.
And then mega chonker.
Videos of him changing his name. That's not a mod. That's not a hack. That's actually.
And then you can also go back to default. But if you have like mega chonker, and you do.
But he changes his name. Like he can change his name if he was standing right here. He can change his name.
No, it's a mod. It's a mod. You can do that.
You can, if you keep hold of your button, you can literally run along it.
No, but he's walking. It's just right on down.
Yeah, that's mega chonker for you.
There is no mod. That is reality.
And then you can, and then of course that's default. For a comparison, that's default. And then yeah, you can just go up and backwards and down and stuff. Basically, just spawn the platform.
Please help.
Anybody?
No.
You guys wanna go?
I'm gonna turn that back to default and disable the mod. The next mod I have is trails. Pretty simple. We have trails, so if I spin, you can see that's my trail. And it should show everyone else's trail, but they're not moving at the moment. And the last mod that is working for me currently is Long Arm Monkey, which is basically the same as the PC version. You get long arms. I'm pretty sure the Quest version is a tiny bit different to the PC version. With the Quest version, you don't actually have any of the buffs. So basically, when you are running, you don't actually run any faster than a normal monkey. So you can't outrun love monkeys, which I'm sorry to say, but yeah, you can't. And second, when you are tagging people, you can't tag people with your hands. Your hitbox for your hands is still around here. So the only thing you can really do is have long arms, and you can reach a ton of branches and stuff. Like, I can jump a lot higher. I can't jump higher, but if I jump, I can reach a branch a lot higher. So
I didn't even see you. I'm just gonna bet.
Yeah. Yeah, those are all the mods that are working for me currently, and there might be more depends when you're watching, and I've said depends when you're watching way too much, so, but it really does depend when you're watching the video. If you're watching 2 years later, this will probably still work, but there'll be more mods, and they'll probably be bit different than what is working now. There are actually I'm pretty sure one more mod that isn't working, which is Space Monkey, but all it does, it just gives you low grav, so you can jump high and stuff. But yeah, that's all the mods really. And there's also Paintball Monkey that isn't working for me at the moment, but all that is paintball. If you shoot something, it turns a different colour. But that's not working, so I can't actually showcase those two, which, yeah, I'm sorry, but,
I ordered some beans.
thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you found this helpful, drop a like and consider subscribing, because, my videos are cool. And again, I just want to say, like at the beginning of the video, thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I didn't actually think I will get this far this quickly. So, yeah, make sure to keep it going. And, yeah, thanks a lot. It's been like 3 weeks, and it's unbelievable that I'm doing this well. Might not be for you guys, but it is for me. I never thought I would get past 20 subscribers. But I have. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this is helpful, because I keep getting comments and people asking me how I get mods. So this is how. And remember, you gotta have a computer and a LAN cable. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye.